Hey guys, if you're liking the videos, please like, subscribe, and comment more. I love responding to you guys. Sit girl, sit. We're on camera here, shake. Oh, good girl. And check out my Instagram. I post a lot of pictures that I cook and stuff like that, but enough advertising. I gotta finish up with her and then I'll get to the video. Thanks. Hey guys, it's Rookie BBQ again. Just a quick middle of the week video. It's not a cook, but I'm super stoked about this piece that I got from Weber, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I don't know if you guys have heard about it. It's the hopper insert. Weber realized that this wasn't working. You had to push the pellets down the whole time, as you guys know, and they were having a problem with it. So they gave me this insert. I called them yesterday. First off, I just want to mention too that their customer service was ridiculously good. I know you guys have had problems. I don't know if I'm just the luckiest guy in the world. Literally called this girl named Erica. Shout out to Erica. She was great. She overnighted this to me, got it to me today. I'm gonna install it and then I'm gonna try it out for you guys. So yeah, I'll show you the install and then we'll recap at the end. Cool. All right, guys. So it's pretty straightforward. The instruction manuals are pretty easy. It's just 2 screws and you're in. It does recommend where the pellets go to clean them out and to put like a rag or something in there so you don't lose the screws. But my pellet's kind of full in there and I don't really want to take them out, so I'm just going to try and wing it here. You know, clean this out a little more. You know, it's not going to be perfect. It's a grill, you know what I mean? So you unscrew this little screw right here to the right. It's just one that you got to do. Which is a flathead. You'll need a flathead. They give you 2 extra screws inside, but they don't give you an actual flathead to work with. And I'm assuming if you put this together, you probably have your own flathead. Okay, so that just loosens that right there. I'm gonna put this right here, and they do give you a little Allen wrench. That's the flathead falling. To loosen this top one up here, and actually hold it up just to make sure, just double checking. With the top one? Yeah, okay, so it's the very top one, and you loosen that one, take it off. Well, maybe. I guess it's good to know that they were in there tight. Hold on. As you can see, don't come to this channel to put things together. Not really my cup of tea. Okay. And yeah, after that, you literally just slide this thing in. And you can see the difference in angle here. This was, you know, the flat, as you guys know. And you put it in there underneath that little metal piece. And you flip that in and pew, chingon. And you screw everything back together. So you think. Okay, I'm gonna put the bottom one in first. Sorry for the doves too. Apparently they knew that I was gonna come out and record right now and decided to surround my place here. Okay. My God. We might fast forward on this because spinning a flathead apparently is a challenge for me. So.
A few moments later.
Okay, that one's in. I'm gonna put this black one back too. Again, we'll fast forward this, and when I'm done, I'll show you the end product. Voila! Turn that one more time. And we're good. It's installed. That's it. Alright, now I want to see though if it can still hold 20 pounds. Because it said it could. That was the whole thing, because this hopper was designed to hold 22 and give you a warning, and we all know that didn't really work out. So I just got some cheap Pit Boss from Lowe's. They were on sale. Let's see what we can do. I do miss a little bit. Sorry, I'm not perfect. Oh. So that might be a little false, gotta be honest with you. I don't see this holding 20 pounds because there's not even room to hold any more pellets up here. So it doesn't hold the same amount, at least in my expectations. We got maybe, I don't know, eighth of a bag in there maybe. But it does keep it at an angle, so everything's right there. Super quick install. Kind of upset that it doesn't hold 20 pounds though. That's kind of a bummer. But still, it works. We'll see how the angle goes. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick, and we'll recap right now. All right, guys. So you saw the install. I just have a few thoughts for the ending. Just making this short and quick. One, I like the idea. I think it was cool that Weber recognized that people were having issues with their feeder, and we're like, you know what? Let's just make something that makes it easier. It's free if you've purchased. I didn't have to pay for anything. They shipped it overnight. That was great. Some of the cons, though, I mean, like I said, with the 20 pounds, that's kind of a bummer. You want 20 pounds. Most hoppers, I'm pretty sure, carry 20 pounds standard. This one was, you know, sold at 22, so you could have 2 pounds sitting in there, and the sensor would go off, and the app would tell you that it's time to replenish it. But you know, that didn't happen, and it wasn't that big deal to me. If you guys see my other videos, I don't care. I still push the pellets in there. It's really not a big deal for me. But this is kind of cool because I would like to be able to go sit down, watch the game, have a beer, you know, go run to the store if I need to, run an errand, and be able to see just the internal temperature on my app and get it all done. That'd be great. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm not doing any cooks. It's kind of hard. Sorry, guys. It's hard for me to do cooks during the week. I work like you guys, and I just don't have the time for the smoking. But I'm doing it with the Saturday with the new hopper. I'll show you that, and we'll go from there. Okay? Thanks for tuning in. I wanted to show you this new insert here, what Weber's trying to do to help us guys who bought this thing. And if you still have one, keep trying it, man. Just keep doing it. There are little problems, but there's problems with everything. And I think we could all keep these and enjoy them. So, all right. I'll see you guys on Saturday. Have a good one.